Uboniswe indlela okhiqizwa ngayo umgomo we-COVID-19.
This is a 9-hour process. Wow. As you can see, it takes effort, a number of people to conduct this process. This is the really beginning of now. We are putting the product into a vial this evening, so the process has already started.
Loluhambo luthatha amahora ayishiyagalolunye ibhodwe ngalinye.
This is the disposable single-use technology that we use. It allows us to turn over the line quickly. So once everything has been decanted, we move straight onto the filling line, which is further down. I will show you where we do the filling.
So this is where you get the compound.
This is the compounding. Yes, the vaccine and the buffer come together. And from here, then we'll sterile filter it to prepare for the solution to go through to the filling line.
Okay.
So it's
So this is the pot. It's cooking it.
Yes,
here.
This is the cooking pot.
It's the cooking pot.
Yes.
I prefer to understand it that way.
Ukusuka lapha lomgomo uyahlolwa bese uyapakishwa. Lesi sikhungo sisebenza ubusuku nemini. Le nkampani yenza isivumelwano sokusebenzisana neJohnson and Johson kusukela ngoLwezi wangonyaka owedlule ukuze kukhiqizwe isibalo esanele semgomo ye-COVID-19. Lesi sikhungo sakwa-eAspen singakwazi ukukhiqiza imgomo ye-COVID-19 engu-300 million ngonyaka.